Hello, today I wanted to show my bushcraft setup for this year. I'm just starting to get into more bushcraft camping. So without further ado, I'm going to get into it. So for starters, sleeping bag. Now I have two different options that I'm going to be using for shelter if I'm not doing a bushcraft shelter. One is a tent. Tent weighs approximately 5 pounds. Not super heavy, not super light. And this is the backpack I'm going to be using for probably a multi-day trip, 1 or 2 days, maybe 3 days. So I'm going to start out with my sleeping pad. And I do have another sleeping pad, air blow up one. And I'm gonna, I'll start on the outside of the backpack. So I got a Boreal saw. First of all, I'll get into why I chose a sleeping pad that I did. Lightweight, very compact. Sleeping bag that I chose was -12 sleeping bag. I usually sleep kind of cold, so for now that's what I'm going to use as sleeping pad. Tent I chose is a nature hike tent, and the reason I chose it was easy setup. Saw itself, reason I chose that is, well, because if I need firewood, that does a good job of it. The other thing I have in my pack, which sometimes will come with me, sometimes won't, will be a little hatchet. Depends on the bushcrafting that I'm doing. Okay, also on the outside of the bag, there is a bottom compartment in here. I have a 10x10 tarp. Reason why I chose this is sometimes I'm not going to want to take this for the extra weight, so I will be using tarp. The other thing that I will be using, this is just a little fold down chair which fits easily in this compartment with my tarp. Okay, inside the bag, this is a rain wind jacket. It is Arc'teryx jacket. I already had it, and it's an excellent piece of equipment for the rain and packs down nice and small. In here, this is my first aid kit. Just basic first aid stuff. Cutting board, obviously need something to cut on. I could also make a cutting board. This is what I chose, a dry bag for my food. Reason why I chose this bag in particular was because I can tie a rope to it and fling it over a tree, hoist it up in a tree, and that'll hold pretty much anything I need for food. I do have another small first aid kit with just bandages and gloves. Have some toilet paper, obviously, and a garbage bag. All garbage bags. Another thing I have this is one of my cooking pots. Now in the cooking pot, I have jute twine, have ferro rod for starting fires, got a couple of them actually in there. I also have a spork, little fold down one. Have 2 lighters, have a couple fire starters, Have some matches, as well as roll of black tape, and all of that fit into here, so it works out excellent. So that's what I have for one cooking pot. I have a little grill. I just recently got this. It's from Vessel. It's basically a coffee kit. So it has 2 cups, has a pour over coffee filter in it, and I'm actually waiting on my coffee grinder that actually goes inside here. I like to carry some baby wipes just for washing my hands or whatever I need to do. Fuel canister, for obvious reasons, for cooking and boiling water and whatnot. This is my MSR stove, so that's basically my cooking right there if I'm not cooking on a fire. This is a little windscreen for this. Little fold-up windscreen. I do have just a beach kind of sit pad type thing, just for sitting on the ground or whatever I need it for. I can use it for a ground sheet underneath my sleep system, whatever. Now this is just my water canteen, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use just this setup without this, but what I like about this and having both of them is I can boil water in one, drink out of the other one. And just the lid that goes with that. I have a map, basic map for my area, and some smaller items I have in the bag. I have some more jute twine. I have my knife, which will be on me. I have another small knife. The reason why I carry this knife is more for smaller projects, and I like using a smaller knife for cutting up steak or whatever, eating. Do have another lighter in there. Have some zip ties, some Kleenex. Have a headlamp. I have another spork. This is a longer spork, which is nice for if you're eating those bagged freeze-dried meals. I did just recently get a stand that goes with for my canteen to sit on, and I also have some tenacious tape for fixing holes in gear or my jacket or pants, whatever. A couple other things I have in my bag. It is tick season. Mosquitoes will start coming out soon, so I'll have some repellent. I also always carry a pen and something to write in. I do like to take notes and adjust my gear. I can kind of write things down and see what I used, see what I didn't, take it out for next time. And in this pocket, I do have a Leatherman in here for other things I may need it for. So basically that is my bushcraft setup, bushcraft / camping setup. Like I said, my food will go in here, and yeah, this is basically everything I'll be taking on most of my trips. My sleeping pad might change depending on if I am by a vehicle or not. If I'm by a vehicle, I'll definitely take a more comfortable sleeping pad, but other than that, this is my basic camping setup for the year, camping and bushcraft. And if you're interested, this bag is the Teton Scout 3400, and it is a 55 liter pack, and it's a fairly inexpensive pack for anybody. Most of my gear is fairly inexpensive, other than a couple minor things. Like this is kind of an expensive item, not super expensive, but more than what a person needs. So if you're just getting into camping and bushcraft, this is a good beginner setup, and basically I'm just starting out at it. So this is what I'm using, and I will upgrade things slowly as time goes on. And I will definitely, when I upgrade things, I will be upgrading to lighter weight, less bulky things, obviously, because I want to do more hiking. But this is my basic setup gear for now, and you guys will see me using it soon in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like the video.